Alright you guys, we're getting on Project Family Hauler today. We're going to go ahead and install a DZ tailgate assist and some fresh tailgate seals that we picked up. Um, Shoulda, coulda, woulda bought it locally, but I bought it online. Then I discovered later on that Autoplex sells it. So if you're local to Colorado Springs, you need to want to do a tailgate seal. They sell it 10 feet for 30 bucks. Just FYI. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is everything that comes in your kit. You have your upper strut mount, your lower nutsert, and then the lower pivot for the strut, some Loctite, and even a T50 Allen wrench. The tools you will need is a 5mm Allen. I have a T50 Torx, and that's what this is. It's a Torx, not an Allen, you guys, sorry. But I have a T50 Torx on a socket, and then a 10mm wrench. So, it comes with instructions, makes it plain and simple. You want to make sure this is about 3/4 inch from the nut, the head here. Then, it's going to get inserted into your tailgate here. Now, it says to tighten this no more than 9 turns, because any more than that can ruin the nutsert. Here we have the nutsert installed. Next we're going to put our ball pivot on, thread it in, and we're going to Loctite it. So we got the ball pivot on, T50 Torx bit. We're going to take this loose, put this plate in it, and then I'll be done.
Bye. Bye, Rob.
Alright you guys, so I told you wrong. I accidentally undid the striker bolt. There's another T50 just below it where the cable goes. If I would have read the instructions instead of just thinking I knew what was going on. So you put this plate on, tighten it up with a little bit of Loctite, and then just pop your strut on, and it goes in like this. Now the only tool I didn't mention, I didn't see for DZ was a 13mm. Oh, that's my 12. Sorry y'all, 13 to tighten up this ball stud down here. So we'll go ahead and make sure the latch striker bolt isn't messed up. We'll test this out, and then we're going to get on the tailgate seal. Alright, let's go ahead and try this thing out. Sweet. Now we'll go ahead and get our new tailgate seals put in along this run here. They come with some alcohol prep wipes. I'm going to take some pre-measurements, cut everything to fit, and we'll just have to stick them on. So as in prep work, we want to make sure we wipe this down with an alcohol prep wipe, make it nice and clean. That way our seal sticks to it. I have my 2 seals down here already cut to length, so we'll go ahead and put those on. So what I ended up doing was putting a piece of weather strip up here to seal the top, and then ran a strip down here. I went fat side in, so it mates with the tailgate better. I didn't run anything under the tailgate, because I have the bed rug, and the bed rug seals it, and it wouldn't fit. So if you don't have the bed rug, you might want to seal it. And I did the same thing over here, and then ran it down, like I said, fat side in. Nice tight seal. And then with that DZ tailgate assist, that should be a lot safer too, because the kids like to climb back here. Alright you guys, well, that was the install, that DZ 43200. tailgate assist, the tailgate seals. Next coming up, we do have to get to Project Lightning Bug. Got to finish up the brakes. Started working on the master cylinder. Started recording that for you guys. Never finished it because we had more brake problems. We have to do a caliper swap, bleed the system, and then maybe that'll go for a test ride in the next video. Other than that, Project Gus, stacking parts for him. Started looking at doing an LS swap. I'm thinking that's changed. Think we might have something else in the works for that. So thanks for watching, y'all. Stay tuned for the next video. Sorry it's taking me so long to get these out. Just working on them as I get time. God bless y'all. Take care.